If we'll talk about the executive board of the International Olympic Committee, the executive board of the IOC consists of 15 members at present time. In the executive board, there will be one president, 4 vice president, and 10 other honorary members. Now, the president of IOC is elected by the members of the IOC. The president is elected for a term of 8 years. After the expiry of his term, he or she can be re-elected for 4 years. The current IOC president is Thomas Bach, and Jacques Rogge is the head of the IOC. Here this is written wrongly. President is Thomas Bach and Jacques Rogge is the head of the IOC, right? Now the vice president, there are 4 vice president in the IOC, in IOC executive board, who are elected by the members and remain in the office for a term of 4 years. It means the vice president elected for the term of 4 years only. They can be re-elected. Kofi Annan is the Secretary General of IOC, who is also selected by the executive board, who function under the direction of the president of IOC. There are few honors, we can say, in additional to the Olympic medals for the competitors. The IOC awards a number of other honors, in which first is President Trophy. The IOC President Trophy is the highest sports award given to the athletes who have excellent in their sports and had an extraordinary career and created a lasting impact on their sports. Pere de Coubertin Medal. The Pere de Coubertin Medal is awarded to the athlete who demonstrate a special spirit of sportsmanship in Olympic events. Next is Olympic Cup. The Olympic Cup is given to the institution or association with a record of merit and integrity in developing movements. Next is Olympic Order. The Olympic Order is awarded to the individuals for particular distinguished contribution to the Olympic movement and superseded the Olympic certificate. Now the functions of IOC. The IOC performs a number of functions which are described here. The IOC select the venue and fix the deals for the Olympic Games. This committee is right to decide the days on which the Olympic Games will be held. This committee frames rules and regulations for the competitors and general programs for the Olympics. It encourages and supports the promotion of ethics in sports as well as education of youth through sports and to ensure that spirit of fair play in the sport. It encourages and supports the organization development in the coordination of sports and sports competition. It also ensures the regular holding of Olympic Games. It takes action in order to strengthen the unity and to protect the independence of Olympic movements. It places sports at the service of humanity and promotes peace. It leads the fight against doping. It also encourages and supports the development of sports for all. It opposes any political or commercial abuse of the sports and athletes. It encourages and supports the promotion of women in sports and to follow the principle of equality of men and women. It means without any discrimination. It encourages and supports the activities of the International Olympic Academy and other institutions which dedicate themselves to Olympic education. These all are the main functions of the International Olympic Committee. Thank you.